Jacob, and this is Battle Little Brother versus Big Brother.
Show your gun. Alright, now show me. Hey, I'm Sergeant, and we will be versing each other. I will have the video.
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Got this. I got this, boy. No! Help me! Oh.
It's like I said, dive. It's like I start stabbing you. I got gone into my chair. Round two.
Round two. Go, go. Grab his grenade.
No, it's a knife.
Grab it. Knife. Help me.
Round four.
Help me.
Round four. Round four. Go, go, go. No, it's round four. No, I'm going. Again.
Help me. Help me. I got him. I got him. Got him. No. Go. Dun, 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 dun. He got me. Got me in the leg. Got him. Out of the way. Grenade. Block him. Rolling in.
But you're still alive.
No. Please, no. Please.
I got 3 kills. You got 2 kills. This is going to be the best last round ever. Let's see who wins.
Let's get this on.